Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to select all tasks in ClickUp. Now first I'll select the project I want to do this for, let's say project 1. And we have board view and list view, right? So let me show you board view first. So what you do in board view, okay, you click on these three dots, and then you can go ahead and click on select all. We have selected all of these in this column or this section. And you can easily assign it to anyone, set dates, custom field tags, and easily move them, right? And what we need to do if you want to go to unselect this, you just click on the X right here. On list view, there's two ways to do this. You either come here on this section, click on these three dots, and then you just click on select all, right? So selected for this whole section. Or what you can also do, let me go ahead and unselect these. You see this checkbox, go ahead and click on this, and we have selected all of these, right? So there we go. I've selected everything now, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple.